In today's video, I'm going to teach you linking ClickUp with any app. Quick guide. If you're ready to streamline your work and connect your favorite tools, you're in the right place. We'll walk through where to go in ClickUp, how to find the integrations area, and what to expect as you connect apps. I'll keep it simple and add a few tips so you can get set up confidently. Start by opening your web browser and heading to ClickUp. Once you're signed in, navigate to your workspace and open the overview for your team space. This is your control center where you can view projects, tasks, and documents in one place. It's helpful to begin here so you're integrating apps at the workspace level and keeping everything consistent for you and your team. Next, look at the main navigation and find the More option. Give that a click. This is where ClickUp keeps additional features that extend what the platform can do, and it's exactly where you'll access your apps and integrations. If your interface looks a bit different due to updates or permissions, look for a similar label like Integrations or Apps in your workspace menu. From there, open the Apps tab. This page is your integrations hub. You'll see a wide range of options that cover everyday needs: communication tools, file storage, time tracking, calendars, automation platforms, and more. Think about the tools you rely on daily and which ones could save you time if they were connected directly to your tasks in ClickUp. When you spot an app you want to use, select it to view details and then follow the on-screen prompts to connect. Most integrations will ask you to sign in and authorize access. That's normal. These permissions allow the two tools to share the right data. A quick tip: connect only what you need and review the requested permissions so you understand what's being shared. You can always adjust or disconnect later. After connecting, you'll notice your workflow becomes more cohesive. Files can attach directly from your storage app, messages can trigger task updates, and time tracking can sync without manual entry.